Hey everybody, welcome back. Today we're back out here with the deer stand tiny house build we've been working on. I was out here by myself today, so I didn't get as much done as I would like to get done, but I did get the rest of the front here wrapped up. I didn't left a little spot there. I'm not sure what I'm going to do with that. I've got some extra to put on there, but I'm not sure how to place it yet until I get the door, which the good news is I was contacted by the door people. They shipped them. They'll actually be here tomorrow as I'm filming this right now. But I won't be able to do that until next weekend because I'm already up here. Here's the other side of it. I've got all of this wall on here now. See all that's on there? I've got all this on here now. As this heats up, this will start getting stuck to this, I think, as it heats up. It's coming off a little bit. Plus, it's going to get cut out in here, right here where the window's going to go. I'll cut that out. I went ahead and cut this out for now to get in here. That's where the door will go. I'll have to trim all this out depending on how the door fits in here. I just kind of roughly cut it out right now. And then we'll cut out the windows. And like I said, the windows will be here tomorrow, but I won't get them in here till next weekend. And I'll probably need some help to get that done. I was by myself today, so it was a good thing I had the scaffolding here to get all this done. And then I used this step ladder here. I just pulled it out of the pole barn to get up to reach the tops up there. I think it's pretty leak proof now. I don't think any water's going to get in there. We've got that rolled roofing shingles on it to protect it. So that'll protect it from the rain and everything else and the snow that'll be coming soon. It's coming along pretty well. I'm liking it. Now that we've been working on this out here so much, I wonder if it's scared away anything. I'll have to go check the camera and see what's on that camera and see if anything showed up since we've been building this. I'm hoping all the activity that we've been doing on this hasn't scared too much away. I've only been out here on the weekends, not during the week, so you know they kind of get a rest. But I expect it's probably scared some things off, so that might affect the hunting out of this stand this year. We'll have to see. All right, well, that's a quick update on the house, the tiny house. Be sure to like this video, give me some comments, and subscribe to the channel if you guys haven't already. And we'll give you some more updates as we continue along on this. Hopefully, we'll be putting windows in it next time. See you guys later.